Hey guys, so if you want to get free or like very cheap Carfax, now I'm going to show you how to actually do it. So I was checking out the Reddit here where people wrote that, you know, like some dealers are not tech savvy and post their Carfax links so that you can just replace the VIN in the link with yours and refresh to see your report. It is very common when salespeople email Carfax reports because they are all pulling them on their account and just emailing the live link. Check this out, okay? The dealer group I buy cars for was doing this for years before they were alerted, and salespeople still send out live links because it's easier to just copy paste than find the share report button. Once you find a working link, you are good to go, okay? Very important for you, okay? Now, sometimes you can find people on eBay that sell Carfax on the site for like $5. I did it a few years ago with no issue. I also got this tip on Reddit. People say there are people who work at dealership and use it to make extra money. Not sure how true. So sometimes it's like very important. Now, when you're gonna even look here, look at that. So you know that site that used to be all handmade goods and then was taken over by mostly dropshippers. They have guys that will run your Carfax for $5 and you will get in like 10 minutes. So you can also check like the, for example, the Etsy and right here. So this is something that you can actually do. And I don't know if like the salespeople of the like I are selling it, but this is something that you can also test out for yourself, and you can actually see it got also great report here. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.